if you have Google, like Gmail, you will be able to sign into Whisk. Okay, Google Whisk Lab. Let me show you how to find it. Let's go to Google. Google Whisk Lab. Okay, this is the one you need to go in, nothing else. Don't go in another Google Whisk thingy. Don't go in here. Don't go in the other one, Google Whisk AI. No, you need to be in Whisk dot this here, right? This here. This is where you should be. This one or this one, the same. Okay, you should be in here. Okay, now I'll go in mine. Yeah, you should be somewhere here. And then you will come in here and then check this out. These are all, you can see, prompts. They are all templates that you can use. You can use this to create a cartoon for yourself. Okay, let's go in it. You see this dog, blah 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 blah. Make your own. Okay, now we go in the lab itself, and it has this here. All this is talking about all this. You see here, charming, cartoon style, cheerful colors. That's the colors. And then you see here, you see the house, neat house, green lawns. Baron von Wiener is the dog. A sophisticated dash hunt. You see, sophisticated dash hunt is. You see, everything here talks about this here. So if you want to, you can go and change some stuff. You can add pictures. Let me upload the image. I'm going to put this here. Okay, I'll upload this. The scene, let's say the mall. The scene is the mall, so they'll generate it. Generate the mall. Okay. Okay, the mall and the style. Let's see, we want a cartoon. No, we are not uploading anything. We're going to look for the style in here. No. No. Let's see if we can get another one. Scroll down. No, not this one. Exit out. Let's see if we can get another style. No, we don't want this style. We want cartoon. I think this here is this. Let's stay with this one. No. I think this here is this. Okay. Okay. And now we go here to the thing here. Let's see something. If I go with it, like I send it to be created, it has this dog and all over it, because everything here is talking about the dog. We will still have this dog. This dog is dominant, like the dog, Byron, the person, is dominant in the story. So we will still have him acting up. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, so I'm gonna write here, the lady meets her friends and they are shopping together in the mall, buying shoes, jeans and glasses and makeup. One is too happy. She is jumping for joy because of the skinny jeans she found. Okay, let's see what this is gonna be. We're gonna send it. So we have all this here and this story, so we need to get okay. Let's go see. This one is talk. This one shows more about the story. So she found the. So this is my image. Okay, let's check in here. We have this. We don't want this. Let's have it on here. Landscape. And okay, have it on there. 3 friends. Let me meet her friends. Her other friends like her. Let me put like her here. And they are shopping. Let's go back. Let's go. Oh, she ripped the jeans off. She found the jeans she was looking for. You see that? So I think with this you can make a whole story. This is she jumped and the jeans jumped too. I think this one is better. And you see, this style is this cartoon style. Okay, the mall is the mall. This person here is this person here. So you have shop subject, her. The scene is the mall, and the style is this cartoon style. Let's say we would change the style. No. Let's see if we can change the style. Let's say the style would be 3D chibi. 3D chibi. Oil painting. I love my oil painting. Oil painting cartoon. Yeah, let's see. That's our style, and then we're going to use for this here. So these are the recipe: the subject, the scene, and the style. Okay, this guy here. Let's go see. So the ladies will be in this style. They will be cute. Oh, look at them. Look at them. Oh my goodness. My problem is that, oh, they look better then. You see that they look better. My problem is that we don't have the separations here. I will have to go and check it out. But you see, our ladies are super cute and super cute. Palika, Mobia, oh my goodness. Yeah. Okay. So this is a quick class on this on Google Whisk. Go and try it out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.